Welcome to JBros channel. In today's session, we are going to learn about Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Foundations. Starting with the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, it is more simply called as acronym OCI. These are the infrastructure and platform services that are designed to run any type of applications. It could be a modern cloud native application or service or services of the mission critical workloads. In today's class, we are going to learn about Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Introduction. These are the contents. First, we will see about the overview and then architecture and then IAM, which is the Identity Access Management, and the compartments and identity domains, and authentication N and Auth Z. So these are the authorization which is specifically for Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. So that only we are going to learn. So first we will see about what is necessary for cloud and what are the top companies which is under the cloud. That and all we are going to learn. So first we will learn about the top benefits of cloud computing are accessibility is anywhere with any device, which is the meaning that anywhere in the sense worldwide we can access any of the data and also with any device. It is yeah, whatever the operating system underlying with our device, we can access all the content, which is the meaning that if one system is consist of the Windows, another system with Mac OS, automatically I can transfer any data. The contents whatever we are receiving at the receiver end will be the same. So accessibility anywhere with any device, and ability to get rid of most and all hardware and software, which is the meaning that no need to buy any of the hardware and software. So by the using the cloud computing, we can rent any of the hardware and software, license software. No need to worry, everything we need to purchase and buy. So because of that, we can reduce the cost. And also it provides, as I said in the previous content, it is Auth-N and Auth-Z is there, and then IAM policies are there with centralized data security. And because of that, we, in the cloud computing, it can provide higher performance and availability wherever we want. And then quick application deployment. No need to worry about where I need to deploy the entire thing, and then massive data, that and all possible with the cloud computing. And price performance and cost savings also there for cloud computing, because without buying hardware and software we are going to get the rented. So these are the top benefits. And also wherever, anywhere, any place. So because of the virtualization only it is possible. So these are the top benefits of cloud computing. And now we are going to learn about what are the top companies in 2024. This video is recorded in 2024. So according to that, what are the top companies? AWS, Microsoft Azure is there, Google Cloud, Salesforce, and then VMware, Alibaba Cloud is there, and then Oracle Cloud is there, IBM, ServiceNow, DigitalOcean, Intel Cloud. So these are the different companies available for cloud. So these are the top. Other than that, there are many companies also there, but most uh, top priority is cloud computing in 2024 is these things. So in that, only one topic we are going to learn, which is Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Foundations, that produces the data management. And data management in the sense different kinds of storage services it provides, and in all the enterprise applications we can run in that cloud environment, because this is a platform oriented, so we can run any applications. And also right now from 2023 to 24 they are providing machine learning capabilities also. So because of that I have chosen the Oracle Cloud. um, how the deployment is identified and what are the infrastructure underlying in that Oracle Cloud, that only we are going to learn in our session. So, introduction to Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. Oracle Cloud Infrastructure is an infrastructure as a service cloud platform that allows consumer to create resources. So they can create any kind of resources such as computing instances, database, network, container, functions and storage to run their applications and workloads. So what are the things we will need from this Oracle Cloud? It should be enterprise application and also critical enterprise applications. Critical enterprise applications means most of the time we will use the sensitive data. In that case, critical enterprise application is necessary for that. So enterprise always looks for the scalable, available and on-demand solution when we are moving our workload or applications on the cloud. And we same way, definitely we need the service level agreements for business purpose. So without SLA, we cannot run any applications on the cloud services. Everything is provided in the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. Now we may know about cloud is the one kind of catchy word. Another one is a data center. What is the difference between these two we are going to learn. Um, Data center is a traditional model of how the static data is stored. Static data which is used for our data storage. Cloud is a dynamic and flexible on the basis uh, these are the difference. Cloud uses the virtual resource, but data center is a physical resource. And then scalability wise, cloud is the less amount of investment is necessary for cloud, because within the data center, within the cloud, I can place number of data centers, but that is not possible in the data center. So we need the huge investment in the into the cloud. Maintenance cost is very less for cloud, and here maintenance cost is high because developer who is providing the data center, they have to do the maintenance, or particular organization which is going to utilize that particular data center, they have to maintain. So maintenance cost is high. The organization needs to rely on the third party to store the data. Here the organization developer are trusted for the data stored in the data center. Performance wise, less because of the less investment, cloud is better, but data center we need to do the more investment, and then requires a plan to optimizing the cloud. But here already the company, according to their company only, we are going to create the data center. So automatically the optimization is we can customize it for a particular company. That is possible with data center. And cloud needs the a stable internet connection, but this may or may not be, because within the company only, within the organization only, they are going to keep the data center. So some if it is need to transfer any data, or local host itself, they can transfer any data. So because of that, may or may not require the internet connection. The cloud is easy to operate and considered a viable option. Data center requires experienced developers to operate and are not considered as viable options. Now coming to our Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Foundations. Now I will hereafter I will tell OCI instead of Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, right? So OCI, basically it is, we need to learn about regions and availability domains, that is regions, AD and FD. So these are the three terms we need to learn about the OCI, Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, and off-box virtualization. That also we need to learn for Oracle Cloud. Before going for the architecture, and then what are the area available for this Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, we are going to learn about the regions. So um regions are OCA, entire Oracle Cloud Infrastructure is built upon the regions only. A region is simply a physical locations in the world where OCI hosts the data center. In a nutshell, a region is a localized geographic area. Within the region, OCI hosts one or more physical data center and calls this is an availability domain. So in this figure, we have shown what are the different kinds of availability domain is there. So each and every region must have three number of availability domain, because in each one is within a fault tolerant, the another is available for our purpose. So for that purpose only, different regions or different areas will have, or different geographic area will have various availability domain. So OCI hosts one or more physical data center, that is called as the availability domain here. So previously we have studied data center. Data center is a particular company or particular um, service that they can provide the data center. In that, um, in Oracle Cloud, the same thing we will call that as the availability domain. But the availability domain, we cannot keep multiple data center in a particular company. So instead we will have only one data center. If some fault is there, then automatically we cannot retrieve any of the data. But here in the Oracle Cloud infrastructure, that is not possible, because of the availability domain, immediately I can get the data from the next availability domain 2 or 3. So because of that, that is the main advantage why they are keeping in the availability domain within the regions. And also the one of the example for availability domain is, if it is a network related thing, then virtual cloud networks are there, that is considered as availability domain, or mm, basically that is a particular data center to provide the networks for all the regions. Another one is also there, that is for storage services. For storage services also possible, that is one kind of region which is available with the AD. So these way we can create different regions and availability domains within the regions. So right now we have studied about what is cloud, why we need to study cloud, what are the top companies, and then what are the various cloud services available, and then coming to our Oracle cloud infrastructure, regions and availability domains, and what is the meaning of availability domain. Now these are the OCI regions. As I said, from August 2020 only, they have created the 26 regions and 6 interconnected Azure regions that are live. So these are the different regions available. So these are the regions available. Some of the commercial regions are there, some of the government regions are there, and also Microsoft Interconnect Azure also connected with this Oracle Cloud. So these are the various regions available. Within the regions only, they will keep the availability domain. Within the availability domain, we will have the fault domain. We will see one by one. So OCA regions are dispersed via vast distance across countries and even continents. Why they need to keep their applications in the different regions? Because in case a natural calamity is there, then that could not affect the whole country or continent. And based on the um, uh, data uh, jurisdiction drives, data locality requirements is also necessary for that, because to easy access and all the things is available for right time. So for that purpose, the OCA is mm, mainly focused for high availability design. So the within the availability domain AD, there will be different kinds of fault domains. So definitely there should be 3 fault domain FD should be there, and that to be connected with regions, and the regions should have region pair within this. So if one pair is not affected by any kind of natural calamity or fault, something happen, then automatically the another pair, another one, we can access the data. So for that purpose only the high availability design is developed in the OCA regions. So these are the different regions and its identifiers, and then region locations, and then region key, and then ream key. I will explain what is the ream here, and then availability domain. So in few places, one or three availability domain will be there, and few places there will be a three, more than two will be there. So these are the OCA regions. These are the regions name available for Oracle Cloud, and these are the region identifiers, and then where it is located also there. In India, Mumbai is the only one place the region is available. Within this region, different various availability domains are there. Right, this is the region. Within the region we will have a availability domain. So managing regions from the OCA console. Managing regions from the OCA console, we can subscribe it, and whenever we are subscribing we need to sign up the process. Whenever we are doing the sign up process, we need to create a tenancy, which is the meaning that as a tenant we are going to place our applications in a particular um, domain. So for that purpose, we need to provide the tenancy and assign a region to you. And this is called a home region, because we need to keep our applications or run our applications on the OCA region, which is called, as a tenant we are going to get inside the OCA region. So that region is called as a home region, and once if you are creating, you cannot change that later. So however, you can subscribe to other available regions. By doing so, OCA will replicate your identity resources to the new region, so that you can replicate, but you cannot create, eliminate or change the region, home region. So to view the subscribe regions, for you, we need to do the following steps. Log into our OCE Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Console, and then open the regions menu, and then we can view the subscribed regions, and also we whether in that region, whether Oracle MyLearn, our region is available or not, we need to check. For me, since I'm in India, Mumbai is the region that is available uh, in my dashboard. So this way only we can check. So these are the ways I can manage the regions for in the OCA console. And this is the way the subscribe regions are there. I hope you can able to view this, to subscribe the regions, and regions menu will be there. Regions menu are there, and the center management is there. This is the um, overview, which is the highlighted for the Oracle Cloud. And after subscribing, wherever you are, that particular place will be there in your subscription page. That also you can verify. And we are moving to our logical view of Oracle Cloud Infrastructure components. So OCA regions are part of REAM. REAM is a logical collections, because everything we are not going to appear with the physical resources. Everything is a logical collection only. So reams do not share any of the data, while regions within the ream can share. Within the reams, it can share via replicate. It can replicate, it cannot change anything. Duplicate, it can replicate another reams. And regions in separate reams are completely isolated from each other. That is also main concept of Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Components. So Ream is a logical connection, and also it can replicate and it can share within the regions, and it is each and every Ream is isolated from each other. Another important concept I said, as a tenancy, it is also logical grouping of business customer that contains user, group and compartments. We will see what is the meaning of groups, compartments. We know who is the user, who are all the people going to deploy their application. They are the user. And what is the meaning of group and what is the meaning of compartments, everything we will study later. But right now have an idea, as a tenancy, uh, that is the logical grouping of user, grouping, groups and then compartments. The tenancy is based on the home region. Already we have discussed about what is the meaning of home region. Once if you are subscribing, that particular place is called as our home region. In that place only the tenancy is created. When tenancy is subscribed to another region, tenancy data created in the home region automatically replicated to the subscribed region. So replications of the data is required to call services in that region. Identity data can only be modified in the tenant's home region. So this way we can see our logical view of Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Components. We will see the remaining things in the next video.